Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to split each worksheet in a workbook into separate Excel workbooks. So here I have this file called example.workbook, and here I have 4 sheets: January, February, March and April, and I want to split these worksheets and save these as individual Excel files. Now, you cannot do this with any inbuilt functionality in Excel, but you can do this easily with a simple VBA code. Now, before I show you the VBA code, let me quickly tell you one thing that you need to do before using the VBA code: to have a folder and save this example workbook in that folder. And I'm doing this because I need all the files, all the split worksheets in the same folder. So the VBA code is going to pick up the folder location from the existing workbook and then put all the split sheets in this folder. Now I would go back to the workbook here, and this is the VBA code that I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy this code. Now I'm going to go to the developer tab here and click on Visual Basic. This is going to open the VB editor. In case you do not have the developer tab, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt F11. And this again opens the same VB editor. Now here on the left, I have the project explorer, and here I have all these objects, the sheet names and this workbook. I would right click on any of these objects, go to insert and click on module. This would create a new module, and here I have the code window where I'm going to paste the code. So I would simply paste the code here. Now let me quickly take you through the code. It's a really simple code. What it does is it takes the folder location from the existing workbook because the workbook is saved in that folder already. Then it goes through each of these worksheets and it is going to copy the worksheet and save it as an individual workbook and use the same name. So it is going to use the same name Jan here. Also, I'm using these two lines here, screen updating and display alerts as false, which means that you will not see the things happening in the backend. To you, it would be the same screen, but in the backend, everything would happen. See what happens when I run this code. Here is a small green play button. I can click on this button, or I can use the keyboard shortcut F5 and see what happens when I do this. Everything is done. And now if I go back to the folder, I can see I have these 4 files for Jan, Feb, March and April. If I open any of these files, it has the same data which was there in the Jan worksheet. So this is how you can split each sheet in an Excel workbook into individual Excel workbook. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.